Managing invoices and tracking payments can be time-consuming for CA firms. To simplify this, KDK Software introduces Billsetu.ai integrated with Spectrum Cloud. Let's see how it works. Billsetu.ai can be accessed directly through the Office Management module in Spectrum Cloud. When you open Billsetu.ai for the first time, the system allows you to sync your existing client list from Spectrum Cloud, including GST, TDS, and ITR modules. With a single click on Sync Now, all your client list is imported automatically, saving time and eliminating the need for manual entry. After syncing the data, the first step is to set up your practice profile through Practice Settings. Here you can enter your firm details such as firm name, contact information, GSTN, PAN, and registered address. You can also personalize your invoices by adding your firm logo, digital signature, brand colors, and standard terms and conditions. Once your profile is ready, you can add and manage your clients through the client directory. Here you can enter details such as entity name, GSTN, PAN, contact person, email, mobile number, WhatsApp number, and registered address, helping you maintain a complete client database. Next, you can define the services offered by your firm in the service catalog, where you can add services along with HSN or SAC codes and standard service fees. This allows you to quickly select services while generating invoices. Now let's generate an invoice. Using the Raise Invoice option, Billsetu.ai provides a live invoice builder where you can select the client, add services, and enter invoice details while seeing the invoice preview update in real time. Once completed, you can either save the invoice as a draft or issue it immediately. Each invoice also includes a UPI scan-to-pay QR code, allowing clients to make quick and convenient payments. As invoices and payments start getting recorded, the dashboard provides a complete overview of your practice, showing total billed amount, payments received, outstanding exposure, average bill size, and recent activity. All invoices are maintained in the invoice ledger, where you can track invoice status and filter invoices based on paid, unpaid, partially paid, draft, or cancelled status. From the Actions section, you can quickly cancel an invoice, record payments, issue notes for adjustments, share invoices via WhatsApp, send invoices through email. These communication options allow you to send personalized notifications to clients for invoices, credit notes, debit notes, and payment updates, ensuring faster communication and smoother billing operations. With Billsetu.ai, CA firms can manage clients, invoices, payments, and communication in one place, making the entire billing workflow simple, organized, and efficient.